Let's talk about this beautiful fruit. Grapefruit is a citrus that is amazing for clearing mucus from the body. It's sweet and bitter. Grapefruit is also amazing for regulating blood pressure for people that have blood pressure issues and want a natural solution. Try grapefruit and monitor your blood pressure. Every time I have grapefruit, I sprinkle salt on it. This particular salt is amazing. I also use Himalayan pink salt, but today I'm using this Celtic sea salt. It really helps to bring out the flavor of the grapefruit. Enjoy.